Welcome all. Today we are going to discuss why we need to join this YouTube channel. You will get exclusive access to technical stuff. There will be early access also. Then you will have access to discussion forums. Of course, there will be a lifetime access. Now let us look into the exclusive content which is available for the members. If you look at various sections, there are total 5 sections where members will get exclusive access. First of all, first part covers the introduction to piping engineering. It is having a lot of videos there so that you can understand what is piping, what are various fittings, how those are related to piping engineering. Then there is another section which talks about design basis. It establishes the foundation of any design project, right? How to integrate with whole project. Everything is covered there. Then third part is related to layout design, where all the layout concepts related to compressor, pump, column, pipe rack, exchangers are covered. Then fourth most important one is codes and standard. What are various codes and standard which are relevant to piping industry? Then how wall thickness is calculated, API, ASTM, ASME standards, so that you can get the basic understanding how these codes and standards are applicable in process industry. Fifth part is related to isometrics, where we are going to cover all the complete life cycle of isometric, right from extraction to issuing the sheets. So this is the content which is already there, exclusive content, but at the same time there will be new videos, new chapters which will be added, which will be exclusively available for the members. Let us look at the top 6 benefits of the membership. First of all, there are 40 plus hours of recorded content which is going to increase in coming days, and systematically organized content which will be there for all the members. Early access to exclusive content, whatever content is published in future, first access will be given to members. Then flexibility, you can watch at your own wish, at your own location, at your own time. So a lot of flexibility is there. Access to discussion forums, this is again a very useful thing where you can discuss a lot of technical queries with all the other members and with me also. Then the topmost benefit, that is lifetime access to the content. Once you join this channel, you will be getting the lifetime access to all the content. So these are few of the benefits. Of course, few of the benefits will be added in future. So I'm sure if you join this channel, you will get benefits. There is nothing to lose. So stay tuned, keep watching.